Year 1. Look at these pictures of babies. They all look different. Some of the babies have lots of hair. Some just have a little bit. Some of the babies have blue eyes, whereas others have brown eyes. Some of the babies have smiley faces, and some have sleepy faces. They are all very different, but special in their own way. Today, Year 1, we are going to think about the things babies can do and the help that grown-ups have to give them. When babies are born, they need their parents to look after them. So let's have a little think about some of the things a parent does for their baby. Well, they'll feed the baby milk, keep the baby clean and healthy by changing its nappy and giving the baby a bath. They'll make sure the baby is warm and comfortable. They'll play with the baby and give the baby lots of love. As the baby starts to get older, it begins to develop lots of new skills. The baby begins to walk and talk. Babies also start trying to do things for themselves, like building towers of bricks or even holding a spoon. They start to eat different types of food as their teeth start to grow. Year 1, what I'd like you to do now is think about all the things you know about babies. Think about how important it is that they are looked after and cared for. If you like, you can make a pic collage of all the things a parent has to do for their baby. You can use some of the ideas from this video and also add your own ideas. Remember to include some pictures. If you prefer, you could design an outfit for a new baby. Remember, new babies need clothes to keep them warm. Can you do a special design on this outfit for a new baby? See if you can come up with some fantastic ideas. Year 1, see if you can have a try at one of those activities today.